Yes. Yes. We are back with another video. This time I'm making tomato. That's right, tomato penne. Or we can be informal and call it rigatoni. As I get that cream cheese and 2 scoops of that pesto inside of that pot. That is tomato sauce inside of that pot, yes. And we have the beef bouillon going inside of it. Yeah, about a cap full. Hope you guys are doing well today. That Italian seasoning going in there, as well as that grilled veggie seasoning. I am, of course, the ambassador of entertainment. Chocolate solution to all of your vanilla problems. Yes, we got that Italian seasoning going in there, that pizza palooza, and that dried oregano going in there as well. Basil leaves. Oh yes, gotta love basil inside of any kind of tomato-based Italian dish. You had that ground pepper going in there, as well as that chili seasoning going inside of there. Now we have that garlic pepper. Just seasoning our base, you guys. Just seasoning our base. One of the more important things to do. Cilantro, dried onion. Yes, getting that cap off because I wanted quite a bit of dried onion inside of there. Start stirring with that majority of a block of cream cheese inside of there. Yes, you guys, yes. As we get our water, seasoning our pasta water with that pink Himalayan salt, as well as our herb-infused Italian, I was about to say Italian seasoning, but that's just olive oil. A little bit of butter, and this is black bean. I know some people use, most of the time you use black olives in this dish, and I absolutely would have. But to verify, to get a good sense of direction in what I was making, because this is just something I put together in my mind, but I could have sworn I've seen it done before. So when I Googled pictures, turns out they were black olives and not black beans. I was like, oh, darn it. But the black beans, you know, it doesn't hurt. It didn't hurt anything. And get your protein in, guys. Get your protein in, as we are definitely getting our protein in by chopping, mincing in the process with a spatula this ground beef. Yes. 85 to 90% lean ground beef right there. Usually, I cook with ground turkey, but you know, sometimes I do ground beef, and sometimes I'll do a mix of both. Looks absolutely fantastic, to say the least. Yes. Seasoning that with that beef bouillon. And of course, our collagen. Keeping health-minded people, us health-minded in mind. Get that mesquite. Coming out of that beer can, aluminum can right there. Absolutely love that. We have we're cracking our pink Himalayan and our garlic-infused pink Himalayan salt in there. A little bit of ground pepper as well. And I think I did use chives in this as well, like dried chive leaves. As we get that beautiful pasta, beautiful pasta right there stirred up real quickly. We're just dumping that pasta off into a sauce. Getting it all stirred up. Yes, looks great already. Already it looks great. Probably smells great. It smelled great, of course, because it was good. Oh yes. Nice little quick and easy meal right here. If you want it quick and easy, then there you had it. You know, you didn't even have to go above and beyond chopping up these fresh veggies, but you know me, I am a chop star. Yes, I gotta have those fresh veggies going inside of there, getting that bell pepper chopped up right there. Oh my goodness. Watch him work. I got that knife right there, it chops easily. Whew, it does the job. Doesn't take that much force, doesn't take that much muscle. I just let it drop on through. It only looks like it takes a lot of force because I know I'm a very built guy right there. It's terrible, isn't it? Looks like I take force to everything, but I don't. I let the knife do all the work. I'm just guiding it. Hope you guys are doing well once again. Yes, this is what we do. He is a chop star. Look at him go. Look at him go. He's getting that blessed trinity chopped up right there. Oh yes, our bell pepper and our onion. You have that garlic right left of that. Going that extra distance, chopping up a little jalapeno for a little bit of kick. You know me. Gotta have a little kick in there. Hope you guys are staying cool through these summer months. It's been a pretty hot one. It's been a pretty heated one. But we are staying hydrated to make sure that I can continue to bring you these videos, because if I'm feeling like a dry shroom, there's nothing I can do for you, right? So guys, be sure to also, I know you hear everybody say it, but it's true. Let me tell you, when you hit the like button, it pushes the content to greater heights than what they would have been had you not hit the like button. So for those of you who have been hitting the like button, I appreciate you. I really do. We're reaching new heights, and new heights is what we want. This is exactly what we want. Very intentional in my goals. Very intentional. If I ever get to 1 million, 10 million subscribers, guess what? It was on purpose and it was not by accident. Very, very intentional. As we get those tomato chopped up right there. Yes, absolutely. Yes, I am as intentional in my growth as I am intentional getting these fresh veggies chopped up and added to my dishes. Yes, and we have mushroom right here. They're meeting the dicing. Yes, they're meeting the chop star. Yes. This is the source of energy right here. Man needs its power. We need our power, and that's the way to do it. It's considered chopped. Now it's getting added to that pan of meat right there. Oh, it's beautiful, guys. Look, it's beautiful. Hey, pause the video if you need to. Pause it. I'll give you a second to pause it and admire it. As we get it stirred up right here. This is a gift. It's a gift. We got a little bit of grease drained off of that. And right back to it. I don't completely drain all of the grease off of it. I like to leave a little meat sauce on it. Of course, we get our kielbasa right here. We get that sausage right there, that sausage. Yeah, let's cut the sausage up right here. Yes. I bet you guys didn't think there was going to be sausage in this video, huh? Did you? Well, now you know. And oh my goodness, was it a tasty addition and a very good decision to add this into our dish. Yes. Just getting it further diced up there. Making sure we have enough to go in just about every bite. Squared, cubed, chunked, however I can get it in, I'm gonna get it in. That's right. And into the pan to sear. And we're getting both of those meats, both flavors of those meats. We had that ground beef mixed with those fresh veggies and seasoned ground beef at that. Added in with our sausage. Oh my God. Whew. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. Oh, I know how to, best believe I know how to do it. Yes. And let's get it added into that rigatoni or that tomato penne. Whatever you want to call it. Yes. Because whatever you call it, it doesn't have any merit on the final product. No. You call it whatever you want to call it. But one thing we can all agree on is that by the end of the meal, you'll be calling it delicious. Guys, you know what to do. And until next time, it's been real. See ya.